Today we're going to make some changes on the Shovelhead. Small ones, but might add a little bit of style that I think it desperately needs. Picked up this here sissy bar from a close family friend, but I need to swap out these side strut plates for the different style because I have straight struts and the curved strut against a straight strut just looks stupid. What do we think, boys? Not too bad. Proper old school. That's how I used to run them back in the day. Give the ass of the bike a little bit of shape, a little profiling. Yeah, we'll drag her out here in a minute, see what she looks like. I also went ahead and picked up this little fellow because I've had a problem with my foot sliding off the brake lever. Oh, that's not a very great... Yeah, that's definitely going to fall off at some point, but for now, looks pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of growing on me. I'm not sure yet. Maybe if I did a little pee pad right back here. A little something, maybe something that's kind of similar to this drag specialty seat. I don't know. On. Although this carburetor does leak a little bit, it starts and runs so much better. Came up to grab a Red Bull. You know what? It really is growing on me. It looks pretty good. I mean, goddamn, this thing runs so smooth now.